this plant. So I have sown here mirchi. So small uh, plantlings have come from seeds, and even here some coriander I sowed, but something grown. I think this is also mirchi, and here this has developed growth. Tomato and marigold we grown in that, one of them has succeeded, and even here one more has come. I think you can see here. I don't know what is this, but yeah. So these plants have grown very high, and see, I think you can see it inside. Inside new plants are coming, and I have to transfer them into a big pot. And yeah, this is only single one. By mistake it has come here, and it has been growing here. See, you can see here new are going to come here still. Even here, see, they are growing. Here only single plant, only single. Okay, yeah. Any video, but I'm showing just the result. I have planted just this which was dried, means which I have plucked already leaves. So the empty one I have planted, and I was been watering from that day. I was not confident whether this would be success or fail, so I did not show you how to do, but luckily it has grown. You just need a little amount of soil, that's it. Okay, very little. In that bag some soil was left, means I just put that into this, and I have covered with soil, that's it. It is coming very good, and you have to pour water, and later you have to transfer it into soil or some big pots. I am going to transfer this into a big size of pot, for example, like approximately this size or bigger than this, this like this pot. You can select a bigger one, or even like this also you can select, like this type of one. This is just a container, like best out of waste we have kept. And yeah, this is also best out of waste, which I have said you, yes. And this is also best out of waste container, but in this they are growing very good. But in this, see, I have kept a hole so that the extra water comes out of from this. That's why here it is full soily, because along with that water some fine soil particles comes out. And yeah, for this no hole, but some amount of water only I am adding in this. That's why you have to ensure. Even in this also, this pot doesn't have any holes because it is pot from outside. So you have to be careful about these types of pots. And yeah, if you keep too much of soil, then, or because of the sunlight, if the sunlight is available to the plant grows very well in this way. But the pot breaks because this is of plastic. And yeah, these are the results. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, share, and comment my video, and ask for more videos.